All right, hey guys, I'm gonna be installing our ScopeCap Pro today on this Leupold Mark V 2-10. So when you get to your ScopeCap Pro, it'll come in a package just like this, and inside you'll have shock cord, 2 sections, both in black and tan. You'll receive the main body with the hex cap anti-reflective device, and then the cap to cover all of that. So to set this up, I'm going to start by taking my shock cord, picking the color that I'm going to use. I'm going to be using Coyote today. And to start with that, we're just going to tie an overhand knot in the end of our shock cord and dress it up a little bit, like so. Then I'm going to pull the loose end of the shock cord through the cap and the body, so that they both line up together. So in this one today, I'm actually gonna be setting it up as a side throw, like so, but you could also set this up in a vertical throw. The side throw can be especially helpful if you have a top-mounted dot that sits pretty low. It'll allow you to still remove the ScopeCap Pro from the front of the objective without getting in the way of your top dot. So because I wanna flip it off towards me, I just want to set the cap up this way, so I'm going to run the shock cord through on this side so that when I decide to pop it off to the outside edge like that, it'll be retained in that position. So now you can see we have the shock cord running around our mount, and I'm just going to pull this loose end and then tie another overhand knot as a stopper knot. So now you just dress that up, pull it back a little bit, ensure that you have proper function of your cap. And then once we have it in this position, I'm going to take my cutting utensil, I'm going to cut the loose shock cord, and I'm going to use a lighter to singe the frayed ends there. And that is how you set up a ScopeCap Pro for a side throw, like that. Just a quick note on this, so you can flip the cap away from you this way also. And then also, if you need a little more light transmission through your tube, you can pop the whole assembly off and it'll sit neatly on the side of your tube, like so. All right, guys, this has been how to install a ScopeCap Pro on a Leupold Mark V 2-10. If you have any more questions, be sure to check out our website, 100concepts.com, and also our Instagram and YouTube.